Okay, let's get started. Hello, my name is Jiwon Yu, and I'm a student majoring in material engineering in Donghua University. What do you think of a common point of these appliances? The answer of a material engineering student is electroplating. If these appliances can be much smaller than now, how's it going to be? It may be an innovation. More surprisingly, it is perfectly possible. Today, this presentation is about metal electroplating. The objective of this is to understanding how to strengthen the thin metal films by electroplating. My talk is divided into three parts. Firstly, overview of electroplating. Secondly, how to strengthen the thin metal. Finally, the merit and demerit of this electroplating film. The subtitles be here. This presentation will last approximately 7 minutes. Okay, that finishes the introduction. Now, let's move on to the first topic, overview of electroplating. The electroplating is the best way to improve metal's quality with low cost, and it can be applied on best fields of industry. Have a look at this bar graph. As you can see, this bar graph shows how many demands on electroplating. The scale of 2013 is twice as much as 2007. This is because of growth of semiconductor market. This picture shows the process of electroplating. The anode ions move through this solution to the surface of cathode. So the cathode is covered with thin metal. So it can be applied on this field. Okay, so let's now to the second topic. How to strengthen this thin metal? We can use three ways. At first, grain refinement, minimizing the grain size as grain size gets smaller, the metal is stronger than before. Next, changing shape of the microstructure to be irregular. Finally, adding fine powder to the solution, that is electroplating solution, and prevent the grain growth. These are the kinds of added powder are here. Now that we have seen how we can strengthen the thin metal film, let's go on to the last topic continuously. What merit and demerit can we get by these three ways? The first merit is that we can get strong coatings by adding fine powders, suitable amount of fine powder of the solution. Have a look at this graph. As you can see, it's about changes of strength as the powder added more and more. The vertical axis shows the tensile strength, and the horizontal axis shows percent of fine powder. From 0 to 2% of fine powder, strength increased gradually, and from over 2%, the tensile strength decreased slightly. This graph shows another powder added. I'd like to draw your attention to this point that is peaked between 1 and 2% powder. The region of this peak is the smallest grain size point. As the microstructure getting smaller, we can make electric appliances smaller because of grain strength. But we can make electric appliances smaller. But too small microstructure can cause resistivity of electric flow. This picture shows that. To conclude then, we have seen the ways we can strengthen the metal films, and by strengthening them, what merit can we get with a demerit? In my introduction, I said that the electric appliances we use can be smaller than now. Now that we have reached the conclusion, I hope we are a little closer to an answer. Thank you for listening so far.